G'day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be reviewing a moisturizer that claims to erase wrinkles. It's the L'Oreal Men Expert Erase Wrinkles Daily Moisturizer Anti-Expression Lines. And it says it can reduce wrinkles within an hour. In 1 hour, visibly reduced wrinkles. In 1 hour, expression lines appeared smooth. In 4 weeks, wrinkles looked visibly reduced. Appearance is rested. So I'm gonna try and use this now, and I'll come back in an hour and we'll see what it's done to my wrinkles. Firstly, I'm gonna get you a close look at the wrinkle, like my brow lines. Okay. I think that's a fair depiction of the wrinkles. You can see there, and the brow lines there. So we're gonna use this 1 hour, come back and see what it's done to those wrinkles. Okay, I've got some there. Try and get you a closer look. So we're gonna come back in an hour, as I said, and see if what these look like. But you know, it is important to use a moisturizer, especially as you start getting a bit older. And especially if, you know, using air conditioning and heating where you are. I will say it smells good and it's not too greasy. It feels nice on my skin. So from that point of view, I can recommend it. But as to whether it erases wrinkles, I'll be back in an hour and let's see what it does. All right guys, it's been an hour, I'm back. I've used this an hour ago and it says on the box that it erases wrinkles within an hour. So let's see what it's done now. There was a few wrinkles here and here. I mean, they're still there. Maybe it's going down a little bit. Anyway, guys, I will let you be the judge. As I said earlier, it is a nice moisturizer. It goes on well, it's light. It feels quite fresh on my skin. So I'll keep using it and I'll make another video in 30 days to see if it's done anything to the wrinkles that I showed you before. Anyway, that'll be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.